Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the ultimate place for automotive enthusiasts. If you love cars, car reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of vehicles, you've come to the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest content. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars ever made, the 1971 Porsche 911. This car is a true legend in the automotive world, and in this video, we'll take a closer look at its design, specs, features, and why it remains a timeless classic. The 1971 Porsche 911 stands out as a defining moment in Porsche's history. This model was part of the first generation of the 911, which began its production in the early 1960s and has since become synonymous with performance, luxury, and precision engineering. By 1971, the 911 had evolved significantly from its early years, marking an era where the car truly found its identity and solidified its place in automotive culture. The 1971 model year is often viewed as one of the most pure iterations of the original 911, offering a unique blend of driving performance and classic styling. One of the most noticeable features of the 1971 Porsche 911 is its design. While the 911 has undergone many changes over the years, the original design principles remain consistent. The car's sleek, low-slung body is instantly recognizable, with its round headlights, wide fenders, and distinct rear end. The 1971 model retains the familiar curvaceous design of its predecessors but features some key updates. The car received a new front bumper design and a larger rear window, which helped to improve visibility and offered a more refined look. The shape of the 911 was designed for optimal aerodynamics, contributing to its impressive performance on both the road and the track. Under the hood, the 1971 Porsche 911 features a 2.2-liter flat-six engine that delivers about 125 horsepower. While this may seem modest by today's standards, it was more than enough to give the 911 its legendary performance. The flat-six engine, often referred to as a boxer engine, was located at the rear of the car, providing excellent balance and driving dynamics. This rear engine layout is one of the key characteristics that sets the 911 apart from other sports cars. With this engine, the 1971 911 could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 7.5 seconds, a remarkable figure for its time. The 1971 Porsche 911 also featured a 5-speed manual transmission, which was a significant improvement over the earlier 4-speed gearbox. This allowed for smoother shifts and better control, giving drivers more engagement with the car and making it even more enjoyable to drive. The manual transmission, combined with the lightweight construction of the 911, allowed the car to handle with incredible agility, making it a favorite among driving enthusiasts and professional racers alike. The 911's rear engine layout, combined with its responsive suspension system, provided excellent handling and cornering capabilities, making it a true driver's car. Another key feature of the 1971 Porsche 911 was its suspension. The 911 used an independent rear suspension, which improved the car's handling and stability compared to its predecessors. This allowed the car to maintain better control, especially in high-speed corners. The 1971 model also featured disc brakes at all 4 corners, offering improved stopping power and greater confidence when driving on the road. This was a significant upgrade over earlier models, which had drum brakes at the rear. Inside the 1971 Porsche 911, the interior was simple but functional, designed with a focus on the driving experience. The dashboard was clean and minimalistic, with round gauges that were easy to read, offering essential information like speed, engine temperature, and fuel levels. The seats were snug, providing a secure fit for the driver and passenger, and the cabin was built with high-quality materials that gave it a premium feel, even by today's standards. The 911 was designed to be a no-nonsense sports car, and the interior reflected that, with everything geared toward performance and driver engagement. In terms of technology, the 1971 Porsche 911 was quite basic by today's standards, but it still featured some advanced elements for its time. For instance, it had an electric clock, which was a modern convenience back then. However, Most of the technology in the 911 focused on enhancing the driving experience rather than adding unnecessary distractions. There were no infotainment systems or advanced driver assistance features like we see in modern cars, but that was part of the charm of the 911. It was all about the pure driving experience. As for its overall build quality, the 1971 Porsche 911 was known for its durability and reliability. Porsche engineers paid great attention to detail, ensuring that the car's mechanicals were built to last. The 911 became famous for its ability to endure years of driving while maintaining its performance and character. It wasn't uncommon to see 911s from the early 1970s still running strong after several decades, with many owners opting to restore their cars to keep them on the road. Despite the 911's relatively small engine output compared to modern performance cars, its lightweight build and exceptional handling made it a formidable sports car. The 1971 Porsche 911 was not just about raw horsepower, it was about precision, balance, and driving pleasure. Many enthusiasts still praise this model for its engaging driving dynamics and its timeless appeal, which has only grown over the years as the 911's legacy has continued to evolve. In conclusion, the 1971 Porsche 911 is a true icon in the automotive world. It's a car that has stood the test of time, offering a perfect blend of classic design, precise engineering, and thrilling performance. Whether you're a collector, a car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates great design and engineering, the 1971 911 remains a must-have in any automotive collection. It's a reminder of what makes cars like the Porsche 911 so special. They're not just machines, they're experiences. That wraps up our review of the 1971 Porsche 911. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on